Now here is an option called save scene. Okay. As you can understand, it's saving the file, right? But you also have an option here called box option. In all the option, majority of them have a box. Okay, so in the box, if you click, there are other options for opening the file or for saving the file or for creating a new scene. Okay, so if you go to save scene, here is an option on the box. If you click on box, can you see if I directly click save, if I click file, save, then it will open a location where you want to save the file. Okay, suppose if you will go to my computer in whatever drive and type the name here of the file and save. Okay, this is going to save your file. But if you go in the box, a new window will open. Here you have different options for saving, in which we use this generally as incremental save. Okay, if you turn this option on, which is incremental save, what will happen? The number of times you do Control S while working on a file, it will create a separate file for every Control S. Getting it? Let me show you. Suppose if I save this file, save scene. Okay. I go to desktop. Maybe I create a new folder. Sample01. Okay. Sample01 is my file name. I'm doing save as. Now, maybe I'm creating anything. Now, if I do Control S, okay. If I do Control S, then it will save on the same file. If you go and see, this is sample1, right? This is our file, which we saved. Now, if I do Control S again, it will override the same file. Can you see if I go to details, view, details? It's 2017, right? I just saved it. So it is saving on the same file again and again. Now, when you work for a movie, when you work for a film, there lot of times what happens is the file gets crashed. So all your work is gone. Okay, then you have to do the work again. So to avoid that, what do we do is we go to file, save scene option box, and we click here incremental save. Now, when you do incremental save and I select save scene, now if I suppose do the work, this is the work I have done. I do Control S now. Can you see a folder is created? Incremental save. Now, if I go in this, now here you will get all the versions. Can you see 001? If I do any change, if I Control S, again it will create as 002, 003, 004, 005. So if your 10th version gets crashed, you can open your 9th version to have the maximum work with you so that your time is not wasted. Getting it? This will help you a lot because saving file is very important in animation. Animation is the most time-consuming part of the whole film. Okay, animation is the most time-consuming part. You talk about modeling, texturing, lighting. Nothing takes that much time, the time animation takes. Okay, so that is why it's very important to save your file in the proper way so that you can recover the older file and you don't struggle with, I have to do the animation again now. Okay, getting it? You understood with the example, right? It will create the file, version 1, version 2, version 3. Every time you save, it will create a new file. So this will help you a lot in maintaining your file structure.